Can sleep apnea cause night sweats? If you've been waking up in the middle of the night drenched in sweat and wondering if it could be related to your sleep, you're not alone. Let's explore the connection between sleep apnea and night sweats. Sleep apnea is a common sleep disorder that causes your breathing to stop and start repeatedly during sleep. There are two main types: obstructive sleep apnea, OSA, and central sleep apnea, CSA. In OSA, the airway narrows during sleep, while in CSA, the brain doesn't send the right signals to the muscles that control breathing. Now let's talk about night sweats. Night sweats are when you wake up feeling unusually hot and sweaty. This can be caused by various factors, but when it comes to sleep apnea, there's a clear link. When you have sleep apnea, your body works harder to breathe as you sleep. This extra effort can make your body heat up and sweat. Here's why. Each time you stop breathing, your body releases stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones are part of the body's fight-or-flight response, which can raise your body temperature and lead to sweating. Additionally, sleep apnea can cause hypoxia, which is a low oxygen level in the blood. This lack of oxygen can stress your body, causing it to heat up and sweat. In fact, research has shown that about 30% of people with OSA experience night sweats, which is significantly higher than the general population. So, what happens during these episodes? When you stop breathing, your body tries to restart your breathing by releasing these stress hormones. This can cause your heart rate and blood pressure to rise, and it can also make you wake up suddenly, gasping for air. All these physical responses can lead to night sweats. Managing sleep apnea can help reduce night sweats. Treating sleep apnea often involves using a CPAP machine, which helps keep your airway open during sleep, or making lifestyle changes such as losing weight or avoiding alcohol before bedtime. In summary, yes, sleep apnea can cause night sweats. The repeated pauses in breathing, the release of stress hormones, and the lack of oxygen all contribute to this symptom. If you're experiencing night sweats and suspect it might be related to sleep apnea, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan.